What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here at the Panda Research Institute, where we're going to try out Orgain Organic Nutrition All-in-One Nutritional Shake. Now, whether you're just a person that's on the go and likes the convenience of a bottled drink, maybe you're trying to be healthy and trying to avoid all of the things that you don't need and just the things that you do need, you know, there's a lot of ways to do that. Obviously, I've been a big fan of Soylent and a bunch of the other instant meals and meal replacements, but here is a 4-pack of Orgain. This one's in strawberries and cream flavor. It's gluten-free. It does have some milk or, you know, some sort of milk protein, organic, grass-fed. It says to chill, which I have done, and I've shaken it a little bit here. But a couple things that I thought were pretty interesting as I take one of these out. So you can get these in like a 12-pack, and I did, and this is one of the 4-packs of them. But one of the things that I think is interesting is actually it's pretty small. It's like in one of these paper containers that kind of like the coconut water comes in. And you can see here we've got lots of good stuff. That's always what they advertise, all these 21 vitamins and minerals. But where is that calorie count? But it's here on the side where we have only 11 fluid ounces, but we actually have 250 calories. So to me, this is much more like a meal replacement than some of the other ones, like the Only What You Need, that were like 100 calories for 12 ounces. So this isn't that big. It's definitely kind of like a small pop can or something like that. But at 250 calories, if you drank a couple of these, that would be, you know, pretty close to getting kind of your caloric intake for a meal, I think, at least. And much more similar to, you know, something like a Soylent. Now, all right, I've gone ahead and shaken this up pretty decently, and what we have here is the twist-off cap, which should break the seal. There we go. And you might be able to see in there, kind of looks like soy milk so far. Go ahead and pour this bad boy out. See what we get. Yeah, kind of looks like soy milk. Definitely pours like milk. It seems pretty thin. Wow. All right. It's almost the whole thing right there of the Orgain Organic Nutritional Drink. Let's just see what it smells like. Smells sweet. Actually, it smells far more like berries than I was expecting. You know, especially with it advertising so many vegetables. Kind of thought it'd be a little convoluted, but it smells sweet like berries, and again, smells a little bit like Fruit Loops milk. And for the taste test, wow, it's really sweet. Again, I'm not sure what the process is that makes kind of everything to me taste like the milk you have left after having a bowl of Fruit Loops, but this is what this tastes like, and I will tell you what. That's pretty good. It's got maybe a little hint of like a, well, I don't know, a melted ice cream type of flavor to it. It's a little bit thicker than the Only What You Need, and I would say about maybe just a little thinner, a little runnier, a little more liquidy than Soylent. But I think overall it's great. It actually tastes great. One of the things that I don't like about the Only What You Need is that there's just something a little tart or a little bitter about the taste. You know, it's really hard to put your finger on. But this doesn't have any of that. It's actually very smooth, very creamy, just the right amount of sweetness without being like overly sweet. Now, I will say that some people will probably taste this and be like, wow, it almost tastes sugary. And maybe there is some sugar in it. But, yeah, well, there is 12 grams of sugar in it. So I get that that is going to come from fruit particularly. But, man, this I could really drink. And you wouldn't feel like you are being punished for trying something healthy. So the strawberry and cream, at least in this particular flavor, is creamy, is strawberry-ish. It does taste great. It's something I think you will enjoy drinking as opposed to a lot of the other drinks out there. So check it out. I'm gonna finish this one. Pretty good. Peter Von Panda. Out.